As a claimant's representative, you will come into the official injury claim website, where you will need to select the first tile labelled Claimant's Representatives. Upon selecting this tile, you will find some details about the registration process of how to register your organisation on the official injury claim website. We'll make reference to the quick reference guide that your administrator will be able to access. And we have 5 steps in regards to the process itself. Upon selecting register, your administrator will be asked for some basic information to confirm their email address, and select submit. Upon submit, your administrator will receive an email with a link to activate their account. They will need to provide a password, choose a security question, and the answer to the security question. They will then move forward to the multi-factor authentication process. Once you have finished with your authenticity process, you'll then come into this page and you'll need to select register your organisation. Here again, we ask you some information about your organisation and the type of organisation. We then ask for your website address, your ICO reference number, your law society number, and whether you're based within the UK or EU. And basic information about your administrator. Now we're asking for you to add your office location. The postcode finder, if you type in your postcode and click find address, it will find the full address for you, or you can enter the address in manually. Then your Law Society reference number. You could add another office if required at this stage. Now select your default office. So if you had more than one office here, you could choose which was your default or main office. Upon clicking on the arrow, it then drops down to your office details. You can select the correct one. Now we're asking how you wish to interact with the portal. You can activate or interact with the portal via web and API or web only. Let them read about web and API access, gives you further information. Select your choice and continue. We now ask you to add your domain. Moving on to asking you to provide any further information to help the Portal Support Centre to identify and approve your organisation. And select Finish. You'll then be presented with a final confirmation screen, which advises you that your registration has now been submitted and provided you with a reference number. We also provide some basic information about what will happen next. The Portal Support Centre will now review your registration. They will confirm back to your administrator with some further instructions on what is required of you next.